These are the front seat covers for the Jaguar XJ two-door coupe. You get a pair of them. They are leather faced as original, meaning that basically the bits that touch your body as you sit in them are leather. So this leather, then vinyl, and sort of vinyl here. Same again on the cushions, vinyl for the retainers and the surrounds, then leather for the main sections here. So the backrest, it's pleated. The 2-inch pleats on this, they also did offer 1-inch pleats and plain or embossed perforated leather. So this is the 2-inch plain. So you get the pleated panel, which is genuine tuck and roll pleats, as you can see there. You get this seam line across here as per original spec. You also get the headrest chrome finisher on the top there. On the backs of it, as you can see, you get all the scrum foam paddings that were original in there to get a nice neat finish. So some of it is just sewn in, the other bits are glued on, and you also get the scrum calico for attaching to the foam and the frame. So you get a pair of backrests. Along with the backrest, you also get loose vinyl for retrimming the back area of the seats. So imagine you were sat in the back seats, you would see those directly. In addition to that, you get a pair of cushions. So this is one of the cushions here. Again, genuine tuck and roll pleats, as you can see from here, on 17mm foam. The cushions are slightly handed, so we always mark the hand on there. Again, you get foam sewn and glued on as original. That goes all the way around there, as you can see. So you get a pair of cushions. Now, normally these are sold separately, but always worth considering. These are the headrest covers. So they're not part of the front seat set unless you buy it as a trim kit, in which case they're automatically included. But we obviously do sell them as well as a separate item. So you get these are everything in leather, absolutely every element of it. Leather, some foam on some of the bits on the inside to get a nice neat finish. Top stitched around here. We also sell the headrest foams for those elements as well, and we also sell the foams for the front seats separately as well.